The first step is to create a post model and migration for the posts table. We can do that by typing in the terminal php artisan create model post m and executing it. Next, we have to add guarded properties to the post model class. To do that, on the Laravel official website, in the mass assignment section, copy this code and pass into post model class. The next step is to add a new column named content data to the posts migrations file. Then run the migration. The next step is to create a controller named postController. And add a public method called store. We can validate data using the request validate method in Laravel. The next step is to register a web router named post.create a new post. After registering a web router, we have to add an a tag, style it, and add a ref attribute URL using the Laravel method. By clicking this button, we went to the right URL, but it didn't work. We have to use JavaScript to access Editor.js data. I am adding an ID attribute with the value save data to target the a tag. Now we can easily get that button element using the ID attribute. The next step is to add click event for button. We can do that using the add event listener method in JavaScript. We can access the A tag inside the event listener callback function. To check that we are getting the right element, I'm using the console logging variable. I forgot to add the let key. It is targeting the right element. Now we can get the URL using the getAttribute method. To get all entries data from Editor.js, copy this code and paste it into the callback function. In the next video, I will use Axios to send data to the backend. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.